When it's time to tie together that rebar, you're going to need Goldblatt's wire twister. Convenient, comfortable, and small enough to fit in any tool belt or toolbox, Goldblatt's wire twister is perfect for any heavy-duty concrete project. This tool is electroplated to resist corrosion and has a contoured wooden handle. The twister has a full range of motion, so it's ready for the job. To operate, simply wrap your wire around your reinforcement bars. Feed the ends of the wire around the hook. Spin the hook around 2 or 3 times, and your wire is fully twisted and ready to be cut. Save time and energy, with no fatigue of the hand. Thanks for stopping by the Goldblatt Workshop. Be sure to tag Goldblatt on social media. We'd love to see your next project.